Today's episode, we'll be taking a look at openSUSE. I hope that's how it's pronounced. At least that's how I pronounce it, openSUSE. Some people say SUSE, some people say other things, but I'm just calling it openSUSE. Pronounce it how I'm reading it. And I've already downloaded the ISO. So let's just open up the website and see what they have. I downloaded the desktop version, which is the Tumbleweed that I got. And then I used the this link right here, the offline image for AMD 64-bit. There's other options here for ARM servers, AMD 32-bit, PowerPC, whatever those are, different systems. The one I use is this one right here, AMD 64-bit. So let's open up boxes and get it set up. I'm going to try select an installation, click on it, see what happens. Okay, we're on the installation screen now, so I'm not really sure what's happening, but let's see. Do I click next? Or is it just doing it on its own? Okay. Yes, sure, whatever. Yes, too, okay. It's looking familiar now. I'm pretty sure I've done this before. Desktop KDE, desktop GNOME, desktop with XFCE, generic desktop, server, transactional server. I'm gonna keep it simple and just go with XFCE. Yep, that's what I will do. So initial layout proposed for the default guided setup settings. Let's go ahead and do the guided setup. Nope, I don't need this. I'm always used to doing the ext4. Alright, let's try that. Click next. Let's see where we go from here. US, nope, I'm sure as hell not in New York. That's where I'm at. Next. Use this full name. Use a simple password. Yeah, I'll use that simple password. Alright. Looks like I'm on installations overview. Click install. Thought I was installing already, but I guess it's just setting up the system. Now we're going to click install. Alright, and away we go. installed, rebooted, and did everything. So this is the welcome screen that we're greeted with. Ahoy, this is openSUSE. Nice. Basics, README, documentation, get software, support for XFCE. If you want to contribute, there you go right there. Build openSUSE. Not sure what that is. I think you can build your own distro version of it, if I remember correctly. But that's pretty much your welcome screen here. So I don't need it to show up on the next one. And let's close. One of the first things I want to do, of course, is fix this display setting. So go ahead and open up display. Set this to 1920 by 1080. Apply. Keep this configuration. Alright. Now we got a nice full screen. Everything's set up pretty much the way I like it. So let's check out the system tray here. We have the notification settings. Right now it's set to do not disturb. Now it's set to not disturb. Alright. We have a calendar. Our internet connections. Presentation mode. Volume rockers. Audio mixer. All that good stuff. It's all right there in the system tray. Then we have a few desktop items. Got a trash, file system, and home folder. But we'll go ahead and open up the application launcher and see what we got going. Let's open up our file manager, which is Thunar, and see what version we got going here. Version 4.18.8. Thunar is pretty good. No complaints here. I use it. I like it. It works. Alright, so that's Thunar. Of course, we got Firefox, web browser. Just opening up, what is it? openSUSE search, which uses DuckDuckGo. Alright, too bad. See what the wiki has to show. Oh, just changes to search. So you can search the wiki. Alright, I get it. Let's see what version of Firefox we got here. 119.0. Okay. Where did you go? There you go. 119.0. And that's Firefox. Oops. Let's go back to the application launcher. To the favorites. Open all terminal emulator. It's going to be the XFCE4 terminal. Yep. 1.1.1. Using the same one it started with. If it ain't broke, why fix it, right? And openSUSE. Is this another Yum? Let me test that out right now. I'm seeing if Yum is also the installer here, because I just did Fedora. Alright, is it DNF? It's not DNF. What is it, Yast? I don't even know if you can use Yast like this. Okay. Okay, so this actually opens up. I think Yast 2. Is it Yast or Yast 2? Something like that. I don't know. There's a lot of yas going on here. System. Okay, this one says. Okay, right back to this. Yeah, see, I knew it was yas too. All right. This is the software manager. Let's do some search. See if HTOP is installed. Okay, I just selected it. Click on accept. Continue. Okay. Successfully finished. So let's go ahead and click finish. Close that out. Open up the terminal again. See if HTOP works now. And it does. Alright. Only using 700 megabytes out of the 4 gigabytes of RAM. Not bad. XFCE is always a low resource hog. Unlike other systems that use a high resource, XFCE is pretty good, so that's why I always use it. Alright. Close that. Now let's check out our software. And accessories. We have an archive manager, so if you have a zip file, or RG file, or any type of archive file, this will pretty much open it. It's like in Windows where you got to download 7-zip and all this other crazy stuff. Pretty much your archive manager will open all of them. Zip, RARs, all type of archive files. Okay, accessories, what else do we have? We have discs in here. If you want to set some options for your discs, you can set your mount options, things like that. This known disk utility 45.0. Pretty good. A lot of people like to use gparted and other things, which pretty much do more elevated commands. But this is a pretty simple way of doing a lot of the stuff, and it's pretty simple and straightforward. All right, we got graphics. What do we have in graphics? We have a document scanner, document viewer, and an image viewer. All right, simple, lightweight image viewer. Ristretto. Pretty weird name, but hey, I guess it does what it needs to do. Just look at images. So it's version 0.13.1. Okay, Ristretto. On the internet, we have already seen Firefox. I think this just opens up Firefox also, if I'm not mistaken. And pretty much that's what it does. And multimedia, we have Pro Media Player, something similar to Celluloid or MVP. Okay, what the hell just happened there? There you go. Pro Media Player, a modern simple media player for the XFCE desktop, 4.18.0. Alright, see what other multimedia we have. Praga, I'm pretty sure it's an audio. Yeah, manage and listen to your music. Yep. I mean, if you wanted to, you could use the video player also to listen to your music. We're conditioned to have a specific program for specific files. So that's the world we live in. That's how we do it. Praga Music Player 1.3.99.1. Office. We have a dictionary and document viewer. Dictionary is pretty much just a search dictionary. Let's see what the document viewer is. It's just a document viewer. Simple and straight to the point. Alright, settings. Let's check out the themes. See how we're looking on our themes. Set him over there. Let's open up the file manager. Shrink them down. Alright. White, dark mode. Graybird dark. High contrast. I'll just put it at black or dark. See our icons. Not really a big choice of icons, but they're there. They get the job done. Alright, so that's theming. There's another setting also, I believe it's for the window border. Let me see if I can find it here. Is it window manager? Yeah. See how it changes all the border all the way around? Pretty much can play with all these and see what you like and run with it. I'll just leave it there and keep it pushing. Let's check out our wallpapers. See what we got going for wallpapers. They all look just the same. Oh, there you go. Standard XFCE wallpapers. Yep, that's pretty much it. Alright, well that's pretty much openSUSE in a nutshell. If this is what you're looking for, then I hope I've showed you everything you wanted to see. And it's not bad. It's pretty nice. All these Linux distros, they have a certain way of doing things, but it's all pretty much the same. They have those similarities, and of course they have those differences. So that's openSUSE Tumbleweed. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here, and see you guys on the next one. See you guys later.